guys, we're doing another day of math. So our learning target today is I can add and subtract within 20. Can we go ahead and say that with me? I can add and subtract within 20. Awesome job. So let's go look at our addition strategies today. Remember we went over this yesterday. So did you guys notice that there's a blank spot right here? Yeah, so we're going to learn something new today. So we really got to make sure we watch through the whole video so that we can see what the new strategy is. So our new strategy is called doubles plus 1. What do you think that means? Well, let's find out. So before we learn that, I want to go over what our double facts are. So remember, that's when we're adding two numbers that are the same, and we should have these memorized from when we did it in class. If you do not have these memorized yet, please go ahead and make some flashcards and practice them at home just like we do in class. We're going to go over the answers right here, so you can use this video to help you make flashcards, or you can use an adult to help you make flashcards. All right, so what is 1 plus 1? It equals 2. What is 2 plus 2? You're right, 4. What is 3 plus 3? 6. What is 4 plus 4? 8. What is 5 plus 5? 10. What is 6 plus 6? 12. What is 7 plus 7? 14. What is 8 plus 8? 16. What is 9 plus 9? 18. What is 10 plus 10? Yep, 20. So these are what we should have memorized from whenever we were back in our classroom. So let's look back over here. So we learned our doubles facts. We went over our doubles facts and reviewed those. So what do you think doubles plus 1 is? Yeah, so we're just going to take the doubles and we're going to add 1. So let's look at the double fact. 4 plus 4. What does 4 plus 4 equal again? Yeah, it equals 8. So we're going to go up here and I'm going to draw 4 plus 4. So we can see that equals 8. So since we know 4 plus 4, all we've got to do is have our double and we're going to plus 1. So I'm going to add 1. So since we know 4 plus 4 equals 8, we know 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how we just added 1? Equals, 9. So we know 4 plus, we just added 1 right here, 5 equals 9. And what do you notice about these two numbers? Yeah, we just added 1 to our sum, or to the answer to our number, or to our problem. So we know 4 plus 4 equals 8. Then we know 4 plus 5 equals 9. Let's go ahead and do another one just a little bit higher. So let's look at 9 plus 9. What does 9 plus 9 equal? Yeah, it equals 18. So now we're going to add 1. We're going to plus 1. We're using our doubles and we're plussing 1. So we're going to do 9 plus, so what are we adding if we're plussing 1? 10 equals, okay, so I know that 9 plus 9 equals 18. So I should know 9 plus 10 equals, remember what we did to that sum or the answer to our addition problem? We just added 1. So we know 9 plus 10 equals 19. All right, let's go back down a little lower this time and do one more. I'm going to redraw this up here for you. And we're going to look at the doubles fact 1 plus 1. So what does 1 plus 1 equal? Yep, it equals 2. So I'm going to show this up here for you. So we got 1 plus 1. Now, okay, so if we know 1 plus 1 equals 2, we're going to do doubles plus 1. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. We're just adding 1. So that means we would know 1 plus 2 equals... Remember, just adding 1. What would it equal? 3. Awesome job. Okay, so I think you guys got the hang of it. So we're going to go ahead and add this over to our addition strategy chart. So our strategy is called... What is it called again? Doubles plus 1. So that's when we know the double. So we know the double of 2 plus 2 equals 4. So then we would know 2 plus, we're adding one more, 3 equals, remember, since we just added 1, then we add 1 to the sum, 5. All right, guys. So for our worksheet today, you should be working on this worksheet right here, and it's doubles plus 1. So on here, we're just going to do the same thing. So it's showing us our blocks. So they got 5 plus 5. So we know 5 plus 5 equals 10. So you're just adding 1 more. So you're adding that sum. So we should know 5 plus 6 equals... Yeah, so it would equal 11 because you're just adding 1 to the sum. And then we also have a story problem down at the bottom here. And I really want you to use our doubles plus 1 strategy for this, okay? So think of a way that you can use the doubles plus 1 on our story problem. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Make sure you send a picture of our worksheet when you're done on Class Dojo. Bye, guys.